Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we're going to be doing a first impressions and try on of the new Eylure Faux Pro Lush Lash Extension Kit. So these kits supposedly come with everything that you need to do at home lash extensions. I did do a video of the Lashify Lash extension system. I'll link it below, but this is kind of like the drugstore version. It just hit Ulta. It retails for $24.99 on the Ulta website, and they do come in two different styles. They have the D curl and they have the C curl. So in this video, I'm gonna go through, like I said, kind of take you through the product, read the instructions, and then show you what it, me putting it on and my final thoughts. So definitely keep watching. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So like I mentioned, I got the two different kinds, and it's the C curl and the D curl. And they do have, like on here, they show you what the curl actually looks like. So this is definitely a little bit more dramatic, but the D curl is super dramatic. I don't know if you can see it there. So what I'm thinking is, because I got both of them, I'm gonna see kind of if I can mix them. I might do like the C's towards the inner corner of my eye and the D's on the outside, just to kind of add volume. So there's nothing in here that's included to like cleanse your eyelashes or anything like that. So I'm just gonna go right ahead into it because that's the way the system works. I did obviously do my whole makeup, so it's ready to go. So it does have the lashes, it has the bond and the all seal. It does come with these little tweezer-like things to put them on. And then here are the lashes here. Like I said, these are the C's, so you can kind of see they are a little flared out, and they have these, so they're just like this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually pull out a couple of them and just kind of leave it here. And it doesn't look, I'm trying to look here to see if they're all the same length. So here it looks like these are a little bit shorter and it goes a little bit longer. So you do get that kind of cat eye look if you want. I don't know how many of these I will need per eye, so that's one thing I'm a little nervous about. So it does come with little instructions, so I'm gonna read them really quick. So it says that it adds volume and length to your lashes. If you love these, try your D curl lashes that will open up the eye for a dramatic effect. It says that these lashes can be used up to 8 times. So it doesn't tell you how to clean the lashes. It does say that they can be used up to eight times, but it doesn't say what you would clean them with in between each of the different uses. It does have step 1, lightly dab the adhesive bond on the base of your lashes under the underside. So here it is. And then, so it says to lightly dab the adhesive on the base of the lashes and then place the lash flares one by one to the underside of your natural lashes where you've applied the bond until you achieve your desired look. And then use the applicator to secure the lash flares to your natural lashes by pressing them together, fusing them. And then you're gonna take the sealant and apply a thin layer of the sealant over the flares to remove any adhesive residue. So the only thing, I mean, it does say avoid contact with eyes. In case of eye contact, wash out the eye thoroughly with plenty of clean water. That's not scary at all. That's like super scary actually. So I'm gonna take the bond. Let's see what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I just kind of put a thin layer. This doesn't come with this. This is the actual Lashify thing, but just to make it tacky. Now it doesn't say how long in between you should let the glue dry. So I'm gonna go in there with the outer corner one, just kind of grab it like this, and I'm gonna see if it's ready. Oh. Does seem to be super tacky. So, but the problem is there's like glue on this underside right here where it kind of stuck in the, where they had it stick. Where they had it, this kind of glue right here where they had it stick in the package. That's the problem I'm having, is it's like on the underside here. So when I go and kind of move it up to fuse it there, it gets stuck on these little wands and pulls them off. So I'm not exactly sure how the heck to get that stickiness off. The band is super thick. Okay, that seems to be, ugh, it's not freaking sticking. Yeah, like it keeps pulling on the underside of the glue. Like I don't understand how I'm supposed to fuse it if like every time I go to like push it up, it sticks to that back side. See, every freaking time. Don't understand. See, right there. Like I can't even push it up into my lashes because of that like clear band. Okay, see, it's not even on my lashes. Okay, it seemed to do a little bit okay. This is so frustrating because it's that one little band part. See, I mean, every single time, okay, let me try to use a different one. Every single time I try to push it up, it's this outside band part that is just, ugh. Even sticks in my freaking finger. Okay, so I'm gonna say this is a no-go because I'm not going to waste any more time with it because the problem is it's not, the lashes are sticking to the lash bond or whatever, but because this sticky under part where they put the glue so the lashes can actually stay in here, it's too sticky, and every time I try to, you know, move it up or whatever, it gets stuck, the outer side gets stuck, and there's nothing that I can do about it. There's nothing that I could do to put on there or whatever. I could try to clean the lashes first with some of my other cleaners and maybe it will get the stickiness off, but it's just on the outside. And the frustration I have is the fact that, I mean, I don't know what to do with it. The one thing I can say about like the Lashify system, and that's what I kind of was hoping for. I was like, oh, this is the drugstore version of the Lashify system. But the thing with the Lashify systems is, so here is the Lashify system. This is the first system that I use. I did a whole video on it and everything. I like this, honestly and truly, I know this is not what the video is about, but that's how much I've purchased because I love the system. So definitely feel like, I don't want to say I'm a pro by any means, but know like a good version. But here are the Gossamers. These are the little lashes that come with the Lashify system. And what I like about these are actually in the cartridge and there's no glue on them. So when I sit there and I go and I take something, let's just see, I'm just gonna take a Gossamer. Let's see if it actually, see how I'm able to like push it up and like, and like get it where I want and it's not coming off. That's the problem I have with the regular version. You can see how thick the band is, but when I go to put it on my lashes and then I go like that to move it up, it gets stuck because there's glue on the outside. Let me show you the difference between, I'm gonna do one side by side so you can see. So the one here is the Eylure one and the one here, and you can just see that the band is much thicker on the Eylure one. That's going to help, that's gonna, you know, affect comfort and all that stuff. But again, the biggest thing for me is the fact that it has this sticky glue on it. And you can see, here's the Lashify one. Like it's not even sticking, it's moving around. These are the regular ones. And you can see here, I mean, it's literally stuck to the thing. This is the Lashify one. There's nothing. that's kind of, I wasn't originally going to do like a comparison video between the Lashify system and the Eylure. I wanted to do that afterwards. But the fact that I cannot even use the Eylure system because of that glue, that tackiness on the underside, I just want to show you guys what a really nice lash system. Yes, it's more expensive. It's the high-end version, if you will, but you can actually use it because it doesn't have that tackiness. You can put the lashes where you want them to be. You can move them around, you can fuse them, you can do all that stuff. And the Eylure one just doesn't work. So I'm gonna be returning it because in my opinion, it's a piece of crap. And yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. Not exactly what I was expecting. I was hoping that I would be able to get at least an eye look from it, but severely disappointed. So if you've ever tried this system before, please leave your comments below. Check out my Lashify video. It's my first impressions, kind of the first thing, but I will be doing updated videos. And the next video that I'm going to be doing in this like DIY at-home lash extensions is with these, the Falscara by Kiss. I'm really, really, really hoping that it doesn't have that glue band. It does look like here that the lashes are like held in place by a plastic thing. So I'm really, really hoping that it doesn't have that glue. But definitely stay tuned for that video. So that is it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Until next time, bye.